Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Tristan Barrocks here, the digital storyteller, and I'm super excited to be with you once again for another episode of Cinecut, where we'll be talking about the 7 ways that you can make money today as a digital storyteller. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's get that bag and let's go. Woo!
Effective Saturday, April the 3rd at 12:01 a.m., Ontario will pull the emergency brake for the entire province.
I'm feeling very pumped up. I'm excited to talk to you about different ways of monetizing your skills because let's be honest, the pandemic has really taken us for a turn, sometimes for the worst and sometimes for the best. The pivot may have been great and may have been perfect, but sometimes the pivot may have been problematic. And because of that, I wanted to create a video that would inspire people and give people ideas of ways to take their skills, right, their talents and their abilities and repurpose it, rebrand it, and sell it as a way of monetizing and bringing money back into your coffers, back into your business, back into your life. Because we all got responsibilities. We all got bills. I mean, I got bills, you got bills, we got bills all together. And I think that is really, really important that you understand how valuable what you got up here is. So in that spirit, what I'd like to do is go step by step and share with you my top 7 ways of making money as a digital storyteller, as a content creator today. The first way of making money as a digital storyteller today is by creating PDF booklets or ebooks. Now, this is a really simple and easy and clean way of being able to take some of your ideas, some of your knowledge, some of the things that come easy to you, and repurposing it and selling it for profit. This is an easy way of creating a digital product that you create once that you can continuously be making money and revenue off of. So for instance, if you are a photographer and you know how to create LUTs, or if you know how to edit photos really, really well, or you're really a master in Photoshop, what you could do is you could create a PDF or an ebook that's maybe 50, 60 pages long, maybe 10 pages long, maybe 1 page long, and you can sell those ideas or sell that tutorial in a PDF form and people will buy it. The next way that you can be making money right now as a digital storyteller is by creating online courses. Now, I know what you're gonna say about this. Making an online course is a very big investment. It takes a lot of time and it's a lot of money, and I don't have time, Tristan. I need to make money right now and I just gotta do what I gotta do. I get that. But what if you broke and distilled down the idea of creating a course to something really simple? Maybe it's just how to set up a podcast or how to live stream or the equipment that you need to start your YouTube channel. Whatever it is, make it something super simple that you only need to make maybe 3 to 5 videos on. And at the same time, you don't have to spend a lot of time developing the content for it because you know most of it. And because of the type of product that you're developing, you don't have to sell it at a high premium. You can sell it to prosumers and consumers because the barrier to entry is a lot lower for this type of content. Oh shoot, I see what you did there, Tristan. The next way that you can make money today as a digital storyteller is by creating social media templates. Yeah, I know. We're storytellers, we're filmmakers, we're editors, producers, and writers, and actors. I get all that. But are you working though? Because at the end of the day, while we're waiting for other options and we're waiting for other dope opportunities, we still need to work. We still need to get that bag and we still need to create an economy that we can live off of. So creating things like social media templates should be something that you should consider because number one, it's very, very high value to many people that don't have creative skills, and it's low and easy to make and very cost effective to make. So you can make templates like TikTok templates, Instagram stories templates, you can make LinkedIn templates, you can make Twitter templates, you can make so many different types of templates. You can make lower third templates for live streamers on Twitch or on YouTube. There are so many different ways to make money in just designing graphics and assets that people need that they just don't have the time or the skills to make.
Hey, do you find it hard to find dope music for your YouTube videos or for your client projects? I can relate. One of the best platforms that I use right now is called Epidemic Sound. They have a bunch of different music and sound effects that you can actually access for a very low monthly fee. It's a membership-based service that I've used now for the last 2 years, and it's super dope. So if you're looking for anything from top 40s music to pop, funk, jazz, R&B, reggae, hip hop, classical rock, and anything in between, definitely check out Epidemic Sound's 30-day free trial. Just use the link in the description below.
The fourth way to get that bag today as a digital storyteller is by selling or renting your gear. Let's just be honest. You have a gear problem and your ass needs to sell half your gear. Listen, I don't know about you, but for me, I could sell half my gear today and I could still function effectively, do my job, and do it at a high level. And I think a lot of us as creatives, if we're honest and we admit, we kind of have too much gear. We only need the gear that we actually use and maybe a little bit extra for the larger productions. But oftentimes we fill our lives with all this gear because we think it's going to make us better and make us feel more valuable as a creative, and it just sits in our house. So why not sell it? Why not rent it to the next person that's coming up behind you, or to your mentor, or to your colleague? You have extra light stands, you have extra LEDs, you have extra lenses that you're not using, so why don't you just sell those and you can make some money back? And you can always get those lenses back, or you can always get some of those tools back. The next way that you can make money today as a digital storyteller is by doing virtual or digital webinars. Webinars? That sounds so corporate, Tristan. Yeah, but wait till you see those checks. When people think of webinars, they think of like some corporate B2B type of event or some sort of marketing pyramid scheme type of event. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about having a live stream using tools like Zoom or Ecamm or YouTube or Twitch to be able to build an audience and invite them by charging them, maybe $5, $10, $15, $20, $30 for them to sit down and learn from you live and ask questions live as you're doing an edit, or as you're doing a photo shoot, or as you're showing them lighting techniques, or showing them how to set up your audio or how to set up their audio for a podcast. That's what I'm talking about. So essentially, you're doing a workshop that you would have done in person virtually, and you're still making it engaging, you're still putting your own stamp on it, and you're still using your skills to be able to give the community, and they are giving you the value of paying you for your time and your resources and your talent. I think that's a win-win. What do you think? And the last way that you can secure that bag today as a digital storyteller is by selling stock footage and stock photos. You and I know as digital storytellers, we have tons and tons and tons of footage that we can sell and make money off of. So why don't we just sell our old footage and our old photos and make some money off of it? I mean, there are people right now that are making thousands of dollars off of video clips that they created years ago. So why not be a part of that trend? Be able to make some money as you are sleeping, as you are doing other things, as you are, getting those other opportunities. You can still be generating another stream of income that can support you way beyond whatever project you're working on today. Ching ching! Here's another bonus tip for you. You could offer your editing services to an Instagrammer or to an influencer that doesn't want to do their own editing. Or you can provide photo retouching services for them as well. There is a giant opportunity for individuals like us with our skill facet to be able to provide services like editing and retouching services to influencers that just want to be on camera, that don't want to know anything technical, that don't want to go too deep in the production process. So why not market to them as well? Well, that wraps it up for another episode of Cinecut. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you laughed a little bit and you were able to feel inspired and feel uplifted. If you like what's going on in the channel, please consider subscribing to this channel as I continue to create content that's dope, creative, funny, and fun. Until the next time, stay creative. Peace!